last week. The first lesson is that life is simple and it's not difficult to be happy. I met a Spanish girl in long right room. She's so happy and her life is so simple. She a bartender. Uh, she goes around Europe. In each city, she stays a few months for working and traveling. Her life is very simple. She, she lives in a small traveling car. In free time, she reads books and visits beautiful sceneries. After meet her, I realized that life is simple and please work for your joy and happiness. The second lesson is when we want to chỗ này đọc dở quá. The second lesson is when we want to do good things, the universe, the universe will help us. Besides paying attention in my research topics, optimization, the main purpose to go conference in Bordeaux is to connect to Vietnamese professors and Vietnamese students. We want to help students who are learning in Vietnam. After 4 first day, we could have an apartment because everyone has their own business. However, in the 5th day, the miracle happened. After finish fifth day of conference, we all stood in front of the hall. So we decided to have dinner together. We also discussed how we can help Vietnamese students do internships and internships.
Trong mâm nhậu nhận ấm thứ nhất.
Internship.
Đúng rồi.
Internship and study abroad as well. So we have a plan for future works. We learned that thinking positive and doing good things, the universe will help us. Universe will help us. I feel happy with Bordeaux trip. I learned a lot of knowledge and I have some good friends.